National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Boone County and north central Illinois, northwestern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, Lee County and north central Illinois, Oakland County and north central Illinois, southern Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:26 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Durant to 5 miles west of Byron to Tampico and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oregon and Dixon around 8:35 p.m. Stillman Valley and Rockford Airport around 8:40 p.m. Walton and Rockford around 8:45 p.m. Franklin Grove and Cherry Valley around 8:50 p.m. Poplar Grove and Ashton around 8:55 p.m. Rochelle and Hillcrest around 9 o'clock p.m. Other locations in the warning include Harmon, New Milford, Davis Junction, Siblett, Creston and Stewart. Interstate 90 between mile markers 50 and 70. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 80. Interstate 39 between mile markers 95 and 123. For your protection.